Hi guys, I'm Naughty Pixie and welcome back to the Cat Lady. Now we tried to escape the asylum, but it was unsuccessful and now I'm in sort of a dream mode where I'm being asked what happened last night and I seem to have had this dream about that Welsh nurse again. So I'm really excited to see how this continues on. Is she coming? A little bit nervous.
I think I can hear someone coming.
Damn it! We can't go through there. Let's turn back, Susan. I know another way. Turn left here. We can use the maintenance lift to get us out of this place.
Ah. Guess I call the lift.
What are we doing on the roof? Liz! What the hell are you doing?
Oh my god.
And why is there blood on your clothes? Liz!
It's quicker than the stairs. And besides, all the doors are locked anyway. This is the only way out of here. The only escape. Let's both jump. It won't hurt, you'll see.
This is a bad idea. Come down and we'll talk.
I've made up my mind. I need to end this suffering now. Besides, I have no one to live for anyway. No one ever listened to me. No one ever cared.
I listened. You're a nice girl. You have your whole life ahead of you.
You listened. Did you really?
Of course I did. You talk a lot, but I've always been a good listener. I liked talking to you.
So do you remember that story then? The one I told you the other night? The one about the woman in A&E?
Oh my gosh, I don't actually remember what she said. Disappeared, later found dead in the toilet. Security guy, smoked a cigarette, burned in bed, jumped to the roof. I don't think she told me a story about an A&E.
Actually, I don't think you told me that story.
Maybe I didn't. Or maybe you just didn't pay attention like everyone else.
But, okay, I can prove to you that I listened. Just don't jump, please.
You can prove it? Fine. I'll give you a second chance. Did I tell you about my flatmate? Did I tell you what one of them does for a living?
Oh,
If you really listened, you will remember this one.
she's a stripper. She's a stripper.
She's a stripper.
Yes. Or at least that's what I think she is. You've listened. I just wish other people did.
I'm sure they do. It can't be that bad.
What do you know? Why do you care anyway?
I don't want you to make the same mistake I did.
I thought you of all people knew how it feels. When you're trapped and you can't trust anyone.
Look, I'm sure there must be someone who cares about you.
My colleagues don't care. My family don't care. Even my fucking boyfriend never cared. He said he needed to go find himself. Did I tell you when he broke up with me?
I think he broke up on Valentine's Day.
On Valentine's Day.
Yes,
Yes.
Valentine's Day. You got this one right. But it's not enough. Don't feel responsible. You didn't cause me this pain. This suffering.
No,
I have to do this to be free again. Jump with me, Susan. Do it while you still can.
No!
No. Oh.
After that, I went back. I tried telling people about Liz, but they all thought I was crazy again and didn't believe me.
And you were absolutely sure you saw Liz jump off this building?
You know, it doesn't matter. I just want to finish this and get some fresh air.
Susan, I know Liz well. She wouldn't do something like that. As a matter of fact, I saw her this morning. She's fine. I'd like you to come with me and see her. Say hi. Make sure she's all right.
Stop treating me like I'm crazy. Fine, I'll go. I don't even care that much anyway. The door is locked?
I plan ahead, Susan. I had a feeling in my gut, and my gut's never wrong. I feel like I really got to know you, though. I'm very sorry you've had such a difficult life. I like your green eyes and your sleek cheekbones. You're a clever girl, Susan, but the sadness has poisoned you for too long. There is no coming back from it. For what it's worth, I would have let you go if it wasn't for Liz.
Oh my... What? What just happened?
Where am I?
Yeah, where am I indeed? Let's find out. Oh my gosh!
Who are you?
I am the Crow, of course. I will get you out of here, unless Susan wants to stay. I thought so. There are two doors leading out of this place. One of them will simply take Susan back to where she belongs. But behind the other one, there is a great reward for her. It's something she always wanted. Something she longs for every single day.
Where are those doors? I can't see them.
Just walk back to the right side of the stage. Ideally, the Susan can't miss them.
Scared the crap out of me. Oh my god, this is
Does
creepy.
Susan like my girls? I knew she would.
Whatever they are, tell them to stop staring.
But they are here to guide Susan. They are the guardians of the doors. They know which door she should enter to get the rewards. But there is one problem.
There's always a problem. I'm not even surprised. Which door should I go through?
I will leave that to Susan's own best judgment. But this might be her only chance to find what she had lost. Waste it. And Susan will never get it back. Susan has one question. And she can only ask one of them. She must use it wisely.
Fine, I can do that. But what's the catch?
It's very simple. One of my girls always tells the truth, while the other one always lies.
And I'm guessing you can't tell me which is which?
It's something I've forgotten myself a long time ago, Susan. But does it really matter? One question is all Susan needs to find the right door.
Oh, I don't know if any of you guys have ever seen Labyrinth, the one with David Bowie and Jennifer Connelly in it. It has this exact same riddle, and I'm trying to remember how to solve it. But I used to love doing this to other people as a kid, so surely I should remember it. So one tells the truth and one always lies. By the way, I like the fact her main concern with these dolls was that they are staring at her, not the fact that they seem to be horrible, creepy dolls with blood on their faces. But I guess when you're crazy, the weirdest things matter. So what are the things I can ask? Examine, ask, or poke. I'm sure poking wouldn't go very well. I wish it had stopped staring at me. Right, ask. So, which door should I enter? No, that one. Which door will lead me to my reward? Which door will take me back to my world? Is it the door to the left, the one I should open? Is the door to the right the one I should enter? Which door would the other doll point me to? Is the other doll a liar? If I enter the left door, will I get a reward? Which door would you enter to get the reward? Which door should I not enter? Right. What's familiar is if I ask a specific one, or which door would the other doll tell me to point to? So, if this is the one that always tells the truth, which door would the other one point me to? So, to tell the truth that this one would lie. So say it told me to go through the left door, just as a hypothesis. And that would, because it'd be lying, I would need to go through the right door. And that's the one that I would need to go through. So saying that the left door is the one... What? I've confused myself. Let's try that again. So, which door would that one point at? So, assuming the left doll is truth and right doll is lies, which door would it tell me to enter? It said the left, it would mean I need to go into the right. Now, say this is the one that always lies, which door would the other door point me to? So, again, assuming that the right door is actually the one that I need, if I ask always tells the... If it was the always lies one, say this one always lies, say that the left doll always lies, the truth one would say the right, but he'd lie and say it was the left, so I'd still need to go through the right. So whichever one this one says I need to go through, I need to go through the other one. I think that's the way to solve it. Now, yes, I think that's the way to solve it. I'm pretty sure it's... Is the door to the right the one that I should enter? If it was the always lies one... Yeah, that wouldn't work. No, which door would the other door point me to? And then it's the other door. Just in case, I might save this. Ah, you can't save at this point. Right, I'm going to go with this one.
Which door would the other doll point me to?
So I need to go and just check. Yeah, I want this door.
Is this supposed to be my reward? Flowers. I hate flowers. You lied to me.
This woman really hates
You
flowers. Ooh.
Did you really think there would be anything precious waiting for you here? Look at the lovely roses. Just like everything else in you. They just turn into ash.
My hairs are standing up on end. Ooh. Did I go wrong? Oh, what is that? Body bag. It's a hospital body bag. Oh no, I've got to open it. Ah! Open it now? Oh, it's me again.
You treacherous, dirty bastard. I opened my heart to you, and you stabbed me to death in cold blood. You'll pay for this. I swear you will. But this means the old woman was right. I can't die. I'm immortal. I think it's time to find out how very mortal you are, Doctor.
Oh my god. What? Oh, there's body bags everywhere. I think I'm going to take the iron bar. I'm guessing this is the first person I have to get rid of. Body bags, examine. He brings his victims down here in hospital body bags. Oh! Suicide note. It's the suicide note I wrote. Why would he put it up on the wall? What did it say? My name is Susan Ashworth. I live alone in this old 2-bedroom flat. I rarely go outside. A corpse, a corpse. Another unlucky victim of the killer. This one looks like she's been dead for a long time. Oh! Oh! Oh, this is horrible. Okay, let's try that again. Oh, what did it say? It wasn't even locked. Well, of course, I'm not a prisoner here. He thought I was dead. Ah, I thought he was just... You should never take things for granted, Doc, because this might just be the biggest mistake you've ever made. Oh dear. Where do I go? Where do I go? Chair? Examine? Don't find anything else where we can use this chair as a weapon. Can I enter? Oh! Oh, what's... Oh, gosh. Ooh. Soap. Examine. Take. Sink. Saw blade. Take. Oof. Oh, this is creepy. Oh! Lady with arming. Examine body. This body is quite badly decomposed already. While real art lasts forever, doctors' models will soon rot and fall apart. Oh! That sick man, how did he manage to hide all this madness? Examine doll. I guess he couldn't get a hold of an ermine. Ermine? So he used this creepy baby doll instead. Take the doll's head. Could probably find some use for this. Sure! Got a use for doll's heads. Danger sign, read. It seems this place has been closed down a long time ago. One day when they eventually demolish it, all the evidence will get buried deep under the piles of rubble. Was there anything back where I was from? I kind of don't want to miss anything, I'm scared. But I'm gonna miss something really important. Oh my gosh! Oh, that made me jump. What? Oh god. I've seen something like this before. The living paintings. Except this here is a dead body suspended on wires and tied to a chair. Oh my... Oh!
You're gonna pay for this, you bastard.
Oh! Skeleton! A fake skeleton that had probably been used for teaching before it ended up here. Bolt. Large metal bolt that lies on one of the shelves. Take. Wonder if I'm gonna have to make something. Easel, examine. The doctor probably considered himself quite an artist. Workbench, examine. Probably make a weapon he'd use. I see. I've got to find loads of stuff. Oh! Another poor victim of the mad doctor. There's something shiny on one of her fingers. A bolt. Could pull it off and the finger wasn't so swollen and stiff. Girl with pearl earring examined. Her limp body is positioned in the exact same way as the painting. It seems the killer used wire to keep her head tilted to the side. A. Examine. Let's rush it open. Let's open it quietly. Wrench. I'm taking it. Taking the wrench. Ah!
I don't need eyes to enjoy your fear. Scream louder, little bitch. Scream your lungs out. Louder, I said.
Oh!
Yes, this is by far my favorite of songs. Would you like me to dance for you? Unlike you, I know all art needs to be appreciated. Your scream is like a poem without words.
He's wearing a mask and a blindfold. He's convinced I'm dead and no one knows about this place. Well, looks like you just made a big mistake, you arrogant arsehole.
Your body, an instrument. I never thought you had it in you. And yet you make every fibre in my body tremble with excitement. Your body will forever be admired by those like me who understand the only pure and true form of art.
Right, I need to build my weapon. Oh! Oh, that's horrible. Right, I need to... look at hand. Is there anything I can use here? I'm sure I can find a use for it elsewhere. Oh, that screaming's horrible. Oh, I had no idea this game was so messed up. That has terrified me. A door. Oh no. I'll come back to that. This must be the only way out of here. Locked. Oh, Liz. Examine. God, it's Liz. But it's impossible. I spoke to her last night. I tried to stop her from jumping. And yet here she is, stuck on a metal rod, looking like she's been dead for a lot longer than that. So, what happened then? Was it just a dream? Am I really going crazy? Or was she really there, just already dead? Her pockets are empty. Take down. At least I hope we'll find some peace in death. Is there anything else in here I can use? Like I didn't sit in it. Still, this wooden leg might be of some use, just needs a bit of an edge to it. Oof. Examine. Seems he used a lot of makeup to turn her into this spitting image of Mona Lisa. Skeleton. Easel. Workbench. Examine. Put my weapon here. Right. What else can I use? I should secure the top of the weapon now, so the store stays. I should secure the top of the weapon now, so the store stays in place when I use it. Okay. There. Can I bolt it now? Aha! The bolt needs to be secured in place now, otherwise it will all just fall apart. Wrench, use. Nearly done, but I can't tighten the bolt without a nut. And I know where to find the nut. Ah! Aha! Aha! I know what to do. I need to use the soap. It's not a bad idea, but the soap is dry as a bone. Ah! But, there was a sink. Let's get back to the sink. Yeah. Run the hot water. Soap, use. It's covered in leather now. Might be useful for something, I guess. Right. Actually, I should probably... Let's not waste water. We're quite concerned. Ooh. Oh, that's screaming! No, that's the door I came from. Now I just need to tighten that nut using some tool. Good job, I have a wrench. The weapon's complete. I suppose it's time to go see the doctor. I have to ask. Not entirely sure why I got the doll's head. Creepy doll's head has got a hole at the bottom where it's attached to the torso. Oh, that's fancy. That's it, I can take it now. Spear? Looks like the killer's tools of murder will contribute to his own death. Right. Guess it's time to go face the doctor. Oh, it's getting louder! I'm not sure how this will go down. The doctor must die. I wouldn't stand a chance, he'd just kill me again. I need a weapon. Go on. What's up, Doc? You'll feel the sharp scratch. Let's see what happens.
You'll feel a sharp scratch.
Oh. Doctor X's body examine. He finally got what he deserved. I hope he rots in hell. Girl, look at. I've just saved this girl's life. But why do I still feel so angry? I was about to untie her.
Thank you. Thank you so much. He would have killed me. Like the others. The animal. You gave him what he deserved. Who are you?
They call me the cat lady. Now get out of here. Call the police. I'm going home.
Wow. Oh, that's amazing. That is fantastic.
Standing by the river, I wonder, do I need a stone? No. My heart is heavy enough. It will drag me down for sure.
Finally back home, be safe here. First of all, I should wash off all the horrible memories of this night. I'm dying for a shower, something to eat, some coffee, a cigarette. I'd love to see my cats too. Let's just pretend for a minute that everything is back to normal. I survived after all. Maybe now I can try to enjoy little things in life. Okay, yeah. I can do this, one step at a time. Right. Okay, I seem to be throwing another creepy setting, but I'm going to leave it there for today. I am so, yeah, fascinated by how this game has turned out. I didn't expect it to be really anything like this. I expected a bit of creepiness, but it's just turned so dark. And although I'm going to leave it here for today, I will be getting back to this very, very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.